Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm here to do another video. I want to welcome to my new viewers and welcome back to my subscribers. This is a channel where we talk about financial literacy, but we also talk about stocks because it is an advanced form of financial literacy when you can take a stock and buy that $40 a share, and a year later, it doubles to $80 per share. So today's topic is top stocks. The stock I want to talk about, I'm on Market Watch, is Snap stock rockets after huge earnings beat as revenue more than doubles. So CEO Evan Spiegel points to highest revenue and users growth rates in 4 years. So that is awesome. Snapchat is firing on all 4 cylinders. It goes on to say Snap saw its revenue more than double in the last quarterly, easily topping expectations set by analysts. Shares were up 18% after hours, so that is great news. And I pulled up the stock this morning so that you could see the stock is now trading at $74 per share in pre-market after it beat earnings. And I just take a quick look. This was my portfolio yesterday. It was just like rocketing up. I didn't know what was happening, but it was Snap yesterday. So I just wanted to let you guys know that Snap took off yesterday, and it's a great company to be involved with. And it's just phenomenal when you buy into a really good company and they constantly have new products and services. They've got some new AR stuff, VR stuff, technology going that will blow your minds with the spectacles. So check out Snap. I just wanted to talk about real quick this morning, another place you can find about these great stocks before they become great. It's a website called Crunchbase. So discover innovative companies and the people behind them. So that would be people like Evan Spiegel, the CEO, and many other people, mostly a lot of wealthy people. But let's type in Snap, because I always like to do the company that I know about. So you can type in any company that says Snap operates a privately owned multinational camera company focusing on multinational technology and social media, Venice, California. And you know, I stayed in California a few times, being in Silicon Valley. That's actually, Venice Beach is actually called Silicon Beach. But anyway, let's take a look. It says Snap. This is Crunchbase. Talks about 24 acquisitions, number of investments. Total amount of funding was $4.9 billion before it went public. Some basic information found at May 1st, 2011. Bob Murphy, Evan Spiegel, and Reggie Brown are written here as the co-founders. So we know it's on the stock market, but all the money was made way before that. So let's just take a look at the rounds of funding for Snap. Okay. So back in June of 2013, Snap got a round of funding of 20 million. Then they got another round of 54 million. And then they got another round of 485 million. And then a Series E, 200 million. Series F, 1.8 billion. And then they've got other rounds, consequently, 250 million post IPO. So what does post IPO means? Once it goes on to the stock market, it then got another round of funding. Now imagine this. If your money doubled, let's go back to Snap. Pre-IPO, they probably got the shares for like $5 per share. I'll just tell you, they get the shares for like $5. But the trick is they buy them in bulk. So if you buy, you know, let's say you buy $50,000 worth of shares, then of course $5 a share, you're buying like $50,000 worth of shares. So some are 100,000 shares. Now the stock opened at $22.70, well, $27.09 back in March of 2017. And these guys that pre-IPO got the stock at like $5 per share. So even on the IPO day, some of them tripled their money. So it's just to let you know. But if I doubled my money on pre-IPO and then I doubled my money after IPO, don't you think there's a group of people that are like, hey, I'm gonna put some more money into that stock? So again, this is why a stock could open, go public back in 2017, and then still go back and get another round of funding because of the ideals, such as the new products and services that are in the pipeline. And also on the call, they mentioned, hey, we're not going for just the easy money. We're trying to do the hard things first. They're trying to technologically advance the company. So I just want to encourage everybody to keep your eye on Snap and also check out Crunchbase from time to time to find out about innovative companies and the people behind them. So check out Crunchbase. I've used this resource now for over 5 years. And even you can do companies like Square. I know everybody knows Square now, but it's on this website called Crunchbase. And you could go back to, again, rounds of funding and the several people that have been involved, they got money May 5th of 2021. Let's go. Okay, so there you go. You have to start to pay for the information, guys. All right, so that was enough there. Also, just to let you know, RobinHood is trying to help new investors. They have this new IPO early access time. Check out IPOs available for you potentially invest, follow, and review. So as we know, RobinHood is going public very soon. They're a new IPO that will be out in the stock market. So check out RobinHood Access. And here's some other ones, Outbrain and Dueling and Riskified. So check that out. So I'm going to get into my top stocks now. And Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, is up this morning. Let's see. 0.41%. Let's see here. What else is going on? Amazon is okay. Today is, I don't know why Robinhood can't keep their stats. Sometimes they're up. All right, so Amazon is up this morning, 0.41%. We'll do a few other ones. CMG, Chipotle, is up in pre-market 0.31%. Remember, this is pre-market. The market hasn't opened, guys. So just to let you know, this is why the stocks are only up 0.31 or not down so much. Let's do Shopify. Shopify is up 0.44%. All right, so that was a little bit of information here. I always go over these in Robinhood, and I use Robinhood more for information. It's a good tool. It does everything nice. NRX Pharmaceuticals is up 103%. Immunoprecise is up 88%. Seres Therapeutics is down 63%, and AFC is up 34%. So these are the couple of daily movers. Says the Wall Street Journal states that Microsoft Center on the start button in Windows 11. So they're talking about Windows 11 and the layout. Also on the Wall Street Journal, Intel CEO says chip shortage could stretch into 2023. Okay, and just to let you know, I invested in Snap. Of course. Okay. So this is my investment in Snap. I invested in Snap last December around, I don't know, it was December 20th or so. But I invested in 1,900, and today that investment stands at 2,500, a nice little 27% gain. So just to let you know, these numbers haven't updated yet. I'm not sure why, but you know, when the market opens, this will jump. So anyway, just to let you know, I invest in Snap in several accounts. I'm committed to Snap. All right, so my top stocks in my other portfolio this morning, Snap SNAP is up 17%. Ticker symbol AXP or American Express is up 3.86%. Ticker symbol MGI or MoneyGram International is up 1.74%. What's we got here? Ticker symbol MRIN or Marin is up 1.41%, and it's still down from its high of like $20 a share last week. So Marin Software, not sure. We can give it a quarter. In fact, let's look up Marin Software earnings report. Let's see when they report. Next earnings date. Okay, I don't know when their next earnings date is. Hard to tell. Okay, so it says here on the NASDAQ.com, they are set to report around July 30th. So that's, you know, that'll give you some indication what the company got going. Marin Software Incorporated is expected to report earnings on July 30th, 2021 after market closes. So there you go. If you want to know what's going on Marin and see what they got really going, says here last quarter earnings per share was 44 cents per negative 44 cents per share. So you know, right now there's a lot of hype around the ad software. They do some ads for Instacart and some other big giant companies, software companies. So there you go, Marin Software's earnings date on NASDAQ, market activity. That is the estimated date. Marin can change the date anytime, just to let you know. So. All right. Let's get back. Some other stocks up pre-market this morning is Cleveland Cliffs. CLF is up 0.81%. Ticker symbol NUE or Nucor is up 0.69. And ticker symbol SQ is up 0.66%. So only about 0.5%. So that was exciting news. Snap beat estimates. They are up 16%, 16.88% in pre-market. They just took off. They've got a lot of new products and services. I would encourage you to just check out the news. Snap's earnings preview. I'll leave the link below. Stocks makes biggest moves after hours. That was Twitter and Snap and Intel. Snap rockets after huge earnings beat. These are several places you can get great information. This is Deadline. Snap stock soars 13% on blowout quarter. Daily active users hit 293 million. And that's because they're partnering with great other companies. I mean, the AR and virtual reality, where you can try certain items on, and basically using, Snap software behind it. So don't be fooled. Sound like a small camera type social media company, but they've got a lot of technology behind it that is driving them into the future. So I'd highly encourage you to check out Snap, what they got going. Of course, you can view the investors website and find more out about Snap and what they talked about on the earnings call on yesterday. That is available to you. Also, I want you to check out another YouTuber I'm often featured on is Stop Struggling Now. I also tend to give out stock tips on this channel as well. Here's one of my quotes: in life, you have to take control of your financial future, learn about IRAs and other investments. No job will take care of you. And so this is on Stop Struggling Now. You'll see me featured on this channel from time to time. Check him out. He has a lot of great information. It's not just stocks. He's more of like a all everything, so he does stocks, he does real estate, he does anything about wealth. So check this channel out, Stop Struggling Now with Eric Bird. He goes 3 days a week, I think Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 Central or 8 p.m. Eastern. So check him out. Again, in my Robinhood early this morning, up, let's see what I'm up. Okay, I'm up 0.03% early this morning. Again, the market has not opened, and we're just doing a little research before the market opens. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening, and please like, share. And if you do want some free stock, I got the Webull link, I got the Robinhood link, and also you can check out M1 Finance as well. So thank you for listening, and we'll see you on the next video.